Welcome back to Transwest in Bun, Missouri, just south of Kansas City proper. My name is Ray, and today I just wanted to show off this great selection of B vans that we have here, the majority of which are Pleasure Ways. We have all the different models here represented, and so I just want to let you know, if you are looking for a Pleasure Way, this is the place you want to stop by. But today I'm going to single out the 2025 Plateau TW. That's the one with the twin bed set up in the back instead of the couch that folds down. So let's go ahead and take a look. So the big question everyone keeps asking me is, what are the differences between the 24 and the 25 version of this Plateau? Well, in the TW and most Plateaus, one of the first changes they've made is they've added the Lagoon table slot right here standard. So what that means for you is that you are able to now spin your seat around and set the table right here. Some used to have the option to put a table spot right in here, and they would do it and put the table in between. Here now you could just put the Lagoon table, smack it here, spin your seat around, and have a nice little spot to eat. As you make your way in, one of the other changes that you're gonna notice is the change to black and a lot of the stuff here. So on the faucet, you'll notice the black. Here, you'll notice the change of black that carries over into the buttons for all the cabinets here and the storage. So again, nice black finishing here, black finish over here. As you walk into the restroom or the wet bed, you'll notice the black finish on the shower head, on the towel rack. So again, just a nice little black accent. Even the hook on this table right here is gonna be black. So again, that's one of the changes here. So right now there's two changes. You've got the Lagoon table, you've got the black. The other change, if Katie turns around here, you'll notice on the front seats, they are now ultra leather. That is now standard on the Mercedes chassis. So it used to be kind of like a blend. It was a little less pliable than this ultra leather. It's nice, it's soft, it's great to the touch. So again, that's a nice little upgrade versus the 24. So now you've got great seats, comfort seats, you got the balloon tables, you've got the black accents everywhere. The other change I want to show you guys are the walls. Now this has kind of been polar. There's like pictures kind of snuck out before these came out, and it was very polarizing. Some people liked the look, some people didn't like it. The reason behind it is they call it the plank acoustic wall, and what this does is it's supposed to help keep the noise on the outside. So it gives you a quieter stay inside your van. I like the look, especially with the black accents, and you've got this here. It really gives it a polished look. But go ahead and comment below and let me know if you like this plank look or not. Like I said, it's kind of been polarizing. It's almost a 50-50 kind of a thing. So let me know where you guys stand on it. Yay to the planks or no to the planks. So as you notice, I'm sitting on one of the twin beds here. Each twin bed offers storage underneath. So you do have a plot to put some stuff down underneath here. And then on the other side, open. What you're hearing right now is the generator. So it's been running this whole time, so it's been nice and quiet. I'm not sure how much of my mic picked up on it, but I really couldn't hear it until I lifted this up. You can see you have the inverter right here, and again, some additional storage. Another change for Pleasure Way in 2025 is the smart plug. So if you've had a Pleasure Way in the past, you would kind of stick it in, you almost had to twist it to kind of make sure that you had it in the right smart to mock it. Now you just have to push it in and pop it out. It makes it so much easier. Again, it's called the smart plug. So again, I believe Airstream has been actually using it for a while, so I'm kind of glad to see Pleasure Way move over and adopt it as well, because again, it just adds to the ease of owning a Pleasure Way. So again, let's go ahead and take a quick look around the outside. Make our way over. There's not much differences between the 24 and the 25 on the outside. There really isn't. Nice, clean look. coming across. Again, that clean Pleasure Way look is awesome. Bring it right around. Kind of open up the back for you. Again, nice clean access to your master switches, your inverter, as well as the circuit breakers back here. So again, just what Pleasure Way is known for. Everything's easily labeled, easy to get to, easy to maintain. Let's kind of make our way over here. You've got your Truma here. And then I just kind of wanted to show you the utility center so I can show you where that smart plug will plug in. Again, nice, easy access. Very well sealed, so you don't have to worry about water getting in there. Again, nice, easy pop in and pop out, making the whole camping experience a lot easier. Again, my name is Ray. This is the 2025 Pleasure Way Plateau TW. If you have any more questions about it, feel free to give me a call. My information is down below, and I look forward to meeting with you.